we have to know the difference between Shart and Rukn. Shart is a prerequisite and a Rukn is a pillar. The Shart and the Rukn have something in common, and they also differ on something as well. What they both have in common is, if a Shart is missing, then the act is null and void. So if the prerequisite is missing, then the act of ibadah is null and void. The same way with the pillar. If the pillar is missing, then the act that you're doing is null and void. For example, the prerequisites, we mentioned 5 prerequisites. 5 prerequisites for fasting. If any of those 5, one of it is missing, then the fasting is null and void. The same with the pillar, the 2 pillars that I'm going to mention for fasting. If any one of them is missing, then the act is null and void. So they have that in common. The difference between the two is that the prerequisite is before the action, whereas the pillar is part of the action. It's in the action. Okay? And both of them also have something else in common, which is if the person deliberately goes against any one of those two, they could be a sinner for it, or they are a sinner for it. Okay? I hope you understand this point, inshallah ta'ala.